Hi everybody, on today's video we're going to be counting down the top 5 reasons why you want to be home when that roofer comes over to inspect your roof. I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and look, I get it. We've all got busy schedules and it is super convenient to just schedule a roofer to come over and inspect your roof, and you go off to work and just let him come over and do his thing. But I want to give you 5 reasons why that's not a good idea and why you're going to want to be home when he comes over. First reason that you're going to want to be home when the roofer comes to inspect your roof is so that you can prevent insurance fraud. Believe it or not, roofers vandalizing roofs is one of the biggest insurance scams that there is. You know, a roofer gets up on a roof and maybe he's not finding damage and he's hungry for a commission from a sale, so he starts doing different things to damage the roof. Lots of different tactics are used. Dime spinning or quarter spinning, just putting a dime on the roof and spinning it with your thumb, hitting it with hard objects, things like that. Well, if you are home, even if you're inside, there's going to be less of a chance that he's going to be tempted to do that. But if you're home and you go outside and just watch him do his inspection, chances are very, very low that he's going to try to do anything to vandalize your roof. You don't even need to really watch the whole inspection. Just pop in and out a couple times so that way he never knows when you're actually watching him. Reason number 2 is if you're home, that gives the roofer an opportunity to get up into your attic and inspect that and make sure that everything up there is good. When he gets into the attic, he's going to want to make sure that the decking all looks good from underneath, that there's no evidence of stains, any kind of water leaks or anything like that, but also that your ventilation is good. You want to make sure that your intake ventilation is not covered up by insulation or anything like that. Make sure that your bath exhaust fans, your dryer vents, that kind of stuff, aren't venting up into the attic. That has to be vented out of the roof. So if your roofer is able to get into your attic when he's doing his inspection, all of that stuff can be discovered at the time of the inspection instead of him having to come back and do it again. Reason number 3 that you're going to want to be home is so that way when he gets off of the roof, when he's done with his inspection, he can go over his findings and his report with you right there. So if he's taken photos or videos, he can show all of that to you as soon as he's done. That's better for you because then you don't have to wait to get an email from him, and then you don't have to try to interpret the things that are in his email report. If you've got questions, you can ask him about those things face to face. It's a lot easier for a contractor to explain issues related to photos or videos or even just concepts face to face, communicating rather than trying to type all of that out into an email. Reason number 4 that you're going to want to be home is if there's any possibility that repairs or replacement will be part of an insurance claim, then your roofing contractor can go over all of that with you. He can make a recommendation about whether or not you should file a claim. He can tell you what he expects the scope of the loss is going to be, whether it's just going to be a repair or whether it's going to be a full replacement. He can also explain to you what to expect from the insurance claim process. So when the adjuster comes out there, he can tell you exactly what you can expect that the adjuster is going to do. Most of the time your roofing contractor is going to be able to tell you even things that he expects that the adjuster might miss off of his scope of the loss. Then your roofing contractor can also explain to you how the process will work if things are missing off of your insurance adjuster's report, how those things are going to get added into your claim through the roofing contractor's discussion with your insurance company. But by far, the biggest benefit to you is reason number 5 that you're going to want to be home when your roofing contractor comes over, is that way you get to actually meet the person who potentially is going to be working on managing your project. You're going to be able to find out, is he timely, right? Did he show up on time? Is he courteous? Is he professional? Does he seem credible? Is he honest? Is he able to communicate well? Do you trust him? Or does he just come across as a pushy salesman who's just eager to get a commission? Do your job and move on to the next person so he can earn another commission. You see, because it's our opinion that in this process that you're going through, getting 3 estimates is far less important than meeting with multiple contractors so that you can find out who you're most comfortable with and who you trust the most. Don't ever make your decision based exclusively on price, because going with the lowest price is almost always the wrong decision. Going with the highest price may not be the best decision. Going with the middle price may not even be the best decision. That's why you want to talk to multiple contractors and get a feel for who they are and how they're going to work on your specific project, rather than making your decision based on price. So I really hope this video has been helpful for you. If you've got any questions about this or anything else, please give us a call at our office phone number right up here, 719-433-6991. You can also visit our website. That's right down here at homesteadroofingcolorado.com. We've got a ton of information out there, lots of other videos that should be a help to you. If you like this video and it's been helpful for you, please consider giving us a big thumbs up and leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see or what questions you'd have that you would like to have answered. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that way you get notified when we've got new videos. And until our next video, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing.